Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add a moving average on Exness. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open Exness, then go here to indicators. Click on it, and here at the search bar, type moving average. Moving average. And choose this one. Click on it. And now, as you can see, we have our moving average. Now, let's say, for example, you want to change it to the 20, the 50, the 200, any moving average you want. So go here to MA9, click on these three dots, click on settings, and you will see here the length. So you can change it, for example, to the 50 moving average if you want. Click on OK, as you can see. Now, let's say, for example, you want to change the color. Again, go to these three dots, click on settings, and we have here style. Click on blue, and you can choose any color from here. So I will choose, for example, yellow. As you can see, the color has been changed. Also, you can change the thickness if you want. So I will change it to this one, for example, as you can see. Now click on OK. And this is our moving average. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.